Hello guys, welcome to e-learning skills where we review apps and also we do tutorials about e-learning skills, about basics about computer. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download your own font into your phone. The app that I'm going to use is known as Fonto. This is just an example, but you can also use other apps that work similar like Fonto. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome and I'm going to write dafont.com. This is the site whereby we are going to download our own font. So dafont.com is the site that contains a lot of fonts. So if you really need to use fonts that are amazing and as high quality, you can search dafont.com. So let me say, for example, I'm going to download this app known as this font known as blue yellow. I will click on the download button and then I will click download. So that is the first one. And then also let me say, for example, I can search known as regular. I'm going to search font that is known as regular. So if you cannot find that any of the apps that you are looking, you can just use the ones that you are being provided there. Let me say, for example, also I'm going to use this known as Raphael Bryant. I will click on the download button and then you're just going to wait for some few minutes, few seconds for it to download. Then you're going to click on the open. Then I'm going to find my font here. I'm going to click install. I'm going to install it. Or you can also do the same this one. You can also do the same with this one when you open the font app that you are going to use. If, for example, if I open my Fonto, I will find these fonts there and it is going to prompt me to install them. So let's say, for example, I want to use my font. Let me import an image here, just any of the images, plain image like this. And let me say, for example, I'm going to write there how to install fonts. I'm going to click on the font. And guys, as you notice, my previous tutorial about Fonto is that has a lot of its own fonts. These fonts are free of charge, and if you doesn't like them, that is why you can download your own font. So when I click on my fonts, I'm going to find these two fonts. The first one is this one that is called Raphael Bryant, and I can click on that and you can see I can use that font. So this is only how you can install your own font in your phone. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.